Imagine this. You're floating in space, wearing a custom-built suit, ready to land on every planet in our solar system. What could go wrong? Well, NASA says you're going to die. And the ways you'll go out? They're absolutely insane. Even creepier, NASA scientists actually used supercomputers to simulate your final moments. They've calculated your survival time right down to the second. Today, we're following this death countdown through the solar system. Ready for your final journey? First stop, Mercury. You probably think it's the hottest planet because it's closest to the Sunday wrong. The real horror of Mercury isn't just the heat. It's the fact that you'll experience a cremation and an ice burial at the exact same time. Step onto the sunny side. The ground is 427 degrees Celsius. That's double your kitchen oven's max heat. In 3 seconds, the soles of your boots start to liquefy. Metal clips snap and warp. But here's the kicker. Mercury has no atmosphere. Solar UV rays will blast through your visor like a machine gun. Within 10 seconds, your skin is blistering. You'll smell something burning. That's the smell of you. And it gets weirder. While your feet are frying, look up. The sky is pitch black. No air means no scattered light. Day and night exist in the same frame. Your shadow is razor sharp, but your life is slipping away in seconds. Try to run to the dark side? It's even worse. The temperature crashes to minus 180 degrees. That's 100 degrees colder than Antarctica. Your suit was just melting. Now it's turning brittle. A 610-degree temperature gap. No material can survive that torture. You'll watch your gloves crack open. Frozen air hits your blood. You turn into ice in under 20 seconds. Mercury is a thermal roller coaster, and the only exit is death. Next, Venus. If Mercury is a roller coaster, Venus is the mouth of hell. Scientists call it Earth's evil twin, same size but a total nightmare. As you drop through the thick clouds, everything turns an eerie, sickly orange. It feels like you're being dipped into molten lava. But the real nightmare starts when you touch the ground. 92 atmospheres of pressure hit you instantly. Imagine diving 900 meters deep into the ocean without a submarine. Crunch. Your suit is crushed like a soda can. Your lungs, flattened. Your bones, they'll snap like crackers, all in less than a second. Even if your suit held up, the 467-degree heat would burn through the insulation in heartbeats. Your visor melts into your face. Your skin turns to carbon. Every drop of water in your body evaporates instantly. And that smell? Pungent sulfur. That's the last thing you'll ever breathe. Third stop, Mars. Everyone says it's our next home, but they don't tell you that without a suit, Mars kills you with elegance. It makes your blood boil, literally. The air pressure is only 0.6% of Earth's, almost a vacuum. In this environment, water boils at room temperature. As you step onto the red sand, you'll feel a strange tightness. The moisture under your skin is turning into gas bubbles. Your tongue starts to tingle. Why? Because the saliva in your mouth is boiling. Within 15 seconds, your veins are filled with bubbles, like a shaken bottle of Coke. Your eyes bulge. Your skin swells like a balloon. You won't explode. Human skin is tough, but you'll watch yourself turn into a deformed balloon man. 30 seconds in, you black out from lack of oxygen. Your final view? A haunting pink sky. Then, total darkness. The dry cold will turn you into a perfect mummy, preserved in the red desert for millions of years, a tragic monument for the next explorers to find. Fourth stop, Jupiter. Forget the rocky ground. We're in gas giant territory now. Jupiter's horror? There is no flaw. When you hit the atmosphere, it feels peaceful at first. Surreal cloud bands in orange and white, dim sunlight. But that peace, it's a trap. Jupiter's gravity is 2.5 times Earth's. It yanks you down with terrifying speed. You're in a terminal freefall. The air shifts from hydrogen to helium. The temperature spikes. Suddenly, 640 km/h winds are ripping at your suit. You're tumbling like a dead leaf in a storm. Look down. That's the Great Red Spot. A 400-year-old hurricane bigger than Earth itself. Fall in there, and you're tossed in 500 km winds until you're unconscious. Even if you dodge the storm, a darker fate is waiting. 1,000 kilometers deep, the pressure is 100 times Earth's. Your suit is crushed like paper. Your organs are squeezed into pulp. Further down, the temperature hits 20,000 degrees hotter than the surface of the Sunday. Your body vaporizes. You become molecules in a bottomless ocean of gas. The whole fall takes 10 hours, but you'll only be awake for the first 2 minutes. Fifth stop, Saturn, the most beautiful planet in the system. But that beauty is a lethal trap. Those rings, billions of ice chunks and rocks flying at 20 kilometers per second. Try to pass through, and they'll hit you like high-speed bullets. Tiny grains sand your suit down. Fist-sized rocks turn you into a sieve. Survive the rings, and you're back to the Jupiter fall. Endless dropping, crushing pressure. But Saturn has a secret weapon, the cold. At the cloud tops, it's minus 178 degrees. Colder than dry ice. Your eyes freeze in seconds. Your eyelashes become needles. Your own breath turns to frost inside your mask, blinding you. You'll feel the heat being sucked out of your body until your heart just stops. And those winds? 1,800 kilometers per hour. Anything left of you is shredded. Your remains become part of the rings, orbiting Saturn forever. Sixth stop, Uranus, the ice giant, home to the coldest atmosphere in the solar system, minus 224 degrees, near absolute zero. Here, death is fast. As you enter, you'll smell something disgusting. Rotten eggs. That's hydrogen sulfide. One breath and your lungs are paralyzed, but the cold will get you first. The temperature pierces your suit in seconds. You'll lose feeling in your fingers, then your limbs, then your heart. Your blood turns into sludge. Your heart thrashes to keep you alive, then just gives up 60 seconds. That's all you get. And here's the creepiest part. Uranus rotates on its side. If you land on the dark side, you die in 42 years of total blackness. Just the sound of the freezing wind howling in your ears. Seventh stop, Neptune, the frontier, the planet of violent storms. We're talking 2,100 km/h winds. That's 12 times stronger than Earth's worst hurricanes. On Neptune, wind is a different beast entirely. You're whipped around like a rag doll. Total loss of direction. Methane ice crystals act like millions of tiny knives, shredding your suit in seconds. Your skin is torn apart. Your flesh is scraped to the bone by frozen crystals. You won't even feel the pain. The nerves can't send signals fast enough to keep up with the destruction. Deep inside, it rains diamonds, literally, but you'll never see it. Before you get deep enough, you're already a clump of crushed molecules. Final stop, Earth. After a death tour like that, you realize how precious this place is. Think about it. We have the perfect temperature, air we can actually breathe, Just the right pressure, a magnetic shield protecting us. On every other planet, death is instant. But here, life thrives. We are so lucky to live on this blue pearl. Maybe that's the universe's greatest gift. So next time you look up at the stars, remember, they're beautiful, but it's a deadly beauty. The dirt beneath your feet, that's the real miracle.